Alright, today I'll show how to make hibiscus tea. So today we have this hibiscus flower that's just bloomed, and we are going to pluck it off and make it into tea. So I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. So I plucked up the flower here. This tool was taken yesterday. So we're gonna process this and use it for tea. Show you how to process this. So we're gonna pull out the green part. Right, so once done, the flowers are ready to be washed. So we need to wash it so that we can make sure that there are no insects or any dirt on the plant, on the flower. So yeah, this is the washing process. Wash it. Pot, we already have some from a few days ago that we put in the fridge. Now we're gonna add in today's and yesterday's. Yeah. Right. Put it in. Right. So now we're gonna put in hot water and infuse the flowers to bring out all the beneficial anthocyanins and other nutrients into the tea. So you can already see that the anthocyanins are already out in the water, but we're going to let it infuse for a while. So that more of it will come out and go into the water. Yeah, you can see that the color is getting more intense as we let time pass. So we're gonna leave it to infuse for about 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll wait and come back again. Alright, so now the tea is ready. So we're gonna pour it. I'll show you how it looks like after it's poured. Yeah. You can see the color. Yeah, that's all the good stuff right there. See, you can see the color of the tea. You can see how good it is. So yeah, there you go. Enjoy. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Jesus loves you all.